Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack quickly. Lagu senzo meyiwa. People met, ke. As I said yesterday, Ugutomnis and them, they're going to meet today. So to see the way forward, Dige Omnisige was like, okay, actually, Ubaloyi uyena oshilo ukuthi I know lo bhuti labathi umnisi usicele ama-AVL reports for the Fortuna. Yeah, Umnisi requested it from the state for and then AVL for the red golf also. That was driven by Sergeant Moholo. Sisters lo okube kuthiwa uJola noGininda. Asazi nathi sezwa kusho njalo ukuthi uyabonakala at the court writing notes for him. So they also want for the red golf driver on the 30th of May 2020, but it had not been fitted with the AVL. And then Umnis was just like, it surprises me ukuthi iFortuna inayo i-AVL but igolf anayo. What are these people doing? Bumbona ukuthi nje naye lapho ufuna ukuba nesakazeme encane around that. And then Ubaloyi did answer ukuthi no, we got an affidavit from the facility manager from the subsea indicating that the red golf and the Fortuna were allocated to the court case. But I mean, that's not giving us the AVL for the red golf. I mean, that is just my thing. Like Umnisi, ukuthi AVL. So I think you muhola no muhoano ngale golf. Bedlala ngale ngane zabantu. Uyabona ukuthi they trying to ukufihla izinto lapho, like the video that's before this one where I was saying ukuthi vele they were cooked even those AVL reports as exist into engekho. This is why I think Umnisi seyifuna and ngibona sengathi into zikaPatricia Mashale because it was just immediately after Patricia Mashale made that video about the AVL reports. I think umtshela uhlalela hambe ufuna nama AVL reports and then uRatha comes and says so lama AVL reports khona manje usewafuna noRamosipile but they've cross-examined uBrigadier Geninda already. They want those things for what now? Ukubona. Because Ramosipile was also now saying, I know I wanted those AVL reports now, but Urata feels like, what are you going to do with them? Because you've already cross-examined Brigadier Geninda, and you guys didn't want them before. Now, and Urata today was so sarcastic, guys, and gaslighting Umnisi again twice, actually. I was just like, there's no need for this, eh? And Umnisi uthi around the AVL, there is a lot of people involved around it, including traffic cop, like what's going on with that. But they can't give you the proper information that he wants around the AVL. Umnisi's argument is that the red golf, why wasn't it fitted with the AVL? That's his question. Then Ubaloyi was like, when Ramosipile, are you done in ukubuza imbuzo or wanting stuff from us? Or you want to take a second bite on the cherry? That was unnecessary, guys. This is childish at that court. Umnisi when uJudge Ratha was like, why you ufuna le information manje? Uyamtshela Umnisi ukuthi mina le information ngiyifuna because accused number 1 is the one that actually instructed me. Wathi anyway wake wami instructor yini uMngomezulu. Guys, bese ngena blog okama instructor yini uMngomezulu about that. Why seyifuna this information because he's never instructed Umngomezulu about it. So I'm like, you are right. That's wrong, bro. Like, why would you be like this to Umnisi? There's really no need. Wavele wathi Umnisi, no, my lord, mina ngihleli nelika accused number 1. He is the one who's wanting the AVL reports for the Fortuna and the red golf. Mina ngizwa ngaye ayikabi. Ukuba I just feel like, guys, uMngomezulu bese ngena kuphi uMngomezulu akangene nowe lapha kulozo Urata, and then wamgaslight futhi okwesithu sekhanjwa wathi ngicela nje ukwazi ukuthi ready for the 19th, but I'm already Umnisi already said ukuthi mina ngi-ready for 19th. What are you on about? But Umnisi, yes, I'm ready. What's in the simple question? That's a simple question that I'm asking you. Umnisi was just naye shona le ngasazi nayo uthwenzani, but guys ngizoyingime lapho for now. Thank you so much.